Greetings, YouTube. October is up on us, and you're looking at a weird light in the sky on a really cloudy night. Don't see much else up there. Don't see no stars. Don't see no planes. I hear a truck way off in the distance, but up in the sky is a light twinkling and flickering up there. It looks like a triangle with a light on each corner and one in the middle in the rear. It's like three straight lines, 3 dots in a straight line with another dot at the front. I saw it earlier and I made a short making a joke, but when I come back out, it's still up there. There's something else off to its left now. It just appeared out of nowhere. It might be some kind of aircraft, like a helicopter just hovering there. See how it's strobing? But the other thing's just holding its position. I can hear it. What the fuck? Now more helicopters are showing up. Right over me, man. Right over me. No kidding. See, I'm not joking about this crap. And it's heading right for the thing. Well, in that area. That is so weird. What are the chances? It's going off over that way. Well, you gotta be kidding me. Weird stuff in South Carolina, always freaking me out. Now I got UFOs and helicopters buzzing me. Well, I ain't gonna say that's a UFO. There's a freaky light in the sky up there with 3 lights in a straight line and then another light at the front of it. And it don't seem to be moving. It just hanging there. There was a helicopter buzzing around up there too, and another one just flew over the top of me. So that is kind of bugging me out a little bit. But you see that helicopter fly over my house just now? They do that all the time. Which is kind of weird. I'm nowhere near an airport or nothing. I still hear helicopters now. There's another one over there somewhere. And there's that one up there on the left just kind of hovering over there. And then there's that weird light in the sky. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. And I think I'm going to mix me a drink now. Plug over, dudes.